So we got this keyboard, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. And I'm gonna unbox it. We instantly see the keyboard. And we have two USB ports here, because one of the USBs is for the keyboard itself, the other one is for the USB slot that's in the back of your keyboard. So this is the keyboard. We got some extra buttons here that you can combine with the Stream Deck software from Elgato. And then we just have our normal keyboard here with the extension part for the numbers. We do have some audio controls here as well that are extra. I'm assuming that there's something to switch your keys with. Here we go. So we do have different keys for the extra keys, and we have a different escape which has the Corsair logo on it. Then we have, these are the MMO keys, and then we have the WASD for shooter keys, and the thing that can actually remove the keycaps from your keyboard. So this thing you can click on your keyboard. So if we have the keyboard here, we can attach this to the edge. I've never done this because my previous keyboards didn't have that. So see how it works. Okay. And now you can rest on it while, you know, gaming. It is really soft. It's like, I don't know, it's like a chair for your hands. And I guess it's time to actually plug in the keyboard now so we can see how it looks when it's lit. You might want to download the software, especially if you want to change the lights on it. So it does say which one is for the keyboard and which one is for the USB. So you could also just use the keyboard one and not use the USB one if you have not enough USB slots. Now we can see it's all kinds of colors. And we could actually change this in the software. So it's installing the software now. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna change some of these keycaps. So here we can actually set the color scheme. Now it's raining. Visor. So I used to have it static red on my other keyboard. But we can have it like literally any color. See that you can set individual keys to a different color. Like we have now, WASD is red and the rest of it is green. So you can set the colors however you want them. For the keys on the left of the keyboard, as we see here, we can use the Stream Deck software. I'm going to delete this button. This is just a welcome message. And we can basically use it as a normal Stream Deck. However, the keys are not going to color or display an image like they do in a Stream Deck. They will just be the G1 to G6 buttons. We can basically drag any of these things in here. For example, switch a scene in OBS and then put the scene that we want to switch it to and press G1 to get there. We can even make maps here so we can have more than 6 actions on here as well. There's so many options in this app. You definitely need to just look through it because like if I'm gonna explain all of it, it's gonna take super long. So just know that you can use this for streaming, but also for editing, like photoshopping. You can put shortcuts on there. So basically, if you have shortcuts for a program, you can put them in there. So it can improve so many workflows by just adding these in on the G keys.